How to keep your room cool in summer without AC or cooler. Dear friends, the kind of summer that hits many countries now is wild, scorching, and unbearable, to say the least. With the mercury soaring to higher and higher scores, it sounds only impossible to stay without an air conditioner or a room cooler. Also, as humidity soars with the onset of monsoon, even coolers begin to fail, and it is only an AC that gives some respite. However, ACs aren't cheap, and everyone knows that. It is not unusual for electricity bills in summer to touch multiples of thousands for just a month. Now, are you wondering how to keep yourself cold despite these bummers? To your delight, there are many ways you can do so. Freeze your sheets. Well, this has to be the best trick to stay cold on a sweaty, summery night. All you have to do is freeze your sheets in the refrigerator for a few minutes before you go to bed. Now, prefer keeping them wrapped in a plastic bag because that will help keep them free from the scent of frozen pizza or tomatoes. Of course, the coldness won't last very long, but it will help you lull yourself to sleep. Try an ice water bottle. Your grandma's hot water bottle, it seems, has other uses too. In summer, you can pour water into it and freeze it in the refrigerator. Use it to provide yourself cold comfort on a summer night. Cotton to the rescue. Replace all your polyester, satin, or silk bed sheets with cotton ones. Also, choose lighter shades as they absorb less heat. Besides, also choose nightwear that's breezy and comfy. Go commando. Lingerie can get particularly irritable when it is humid and summery. Your underclothes may feel extra sticky and will not let your privates breathe when the mercury is soaring. This is because your genitals usually have more sweat glands, and because of heat, the moisture will stay trapped in there. So, bid goodbye to them during this summer season, particularly when you have to sleep. Try this Egyptian technique. Well, the Nile dwellers definitely knew how to keep matters cool. They had a technique to keep their beds cool, and it is known as the Egyptian method. In this, all you have to do is dampen your bed sheet or a towel with cold water. Now, use that either as a blanket directly, or you can use it along with a dry towel to avoid getting too much moisture. Create ventilation. Rooms can get pretty stuffy inside when there is no proper source of cross ventilation. In case your room does not have one too, you can actually create one. Place a fan across a door or a window, so that a cross breeze is created by the wind outside and the fan. To better the results, you can place multiple fans in the room to create a super cool airflow. Water to the rescue. The classic old formula, and followed by many still: take a cold water shower. Nothing beats that when it comes to beating heat. Besides, also load up on cold water, because staying hydrated will also help you feel less hot. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.